successful retirement. Simply call the number below on the screen or visit our website and receive your copy.
Hey everybody, this is Kevin here. Here we are, last part of January, and this feller come up to see us tonight. Pretty good looking buck. That's why we love living out in our little 5 acres of land that we got out here. Got a little bit of corn on the ground for him. A nice little rack on him there. So just kind of hanging out here at the house and happened to see our security light come on to the side, and this buck come walking right on up here and come up to where our bird feeders are at. So I thought I'd do me a quick video of this big guy. We've been having a group of 5 or 6 females come up, a couple of young ones and everything, and haven't seen this guy with any of them, so maybe he's kind of going around checking the females out. Unfortunately, I didn't have the camera on the tripod at the time, so I'm kind of freestyling this, so hopefully it's not too jittery or blurry for everyone. But like I said, we love our little 5 acre tract of land, and we got enough woods around us that we get all kinds of wildlife. So this is kind of a special little event we have on and off from time to time. Security lights on kind of got him where he can't see me at the window, but I think every once in a while he hears me when I accidentally tap the camera to the lens. My guess is somewhere in the woods the females are out there too. Well, I hope everyone enjoyed this little short film of our buck that come up to enjoy some of the bird feed that's on the ground. So if you find it interesting, please like and subscribe to our channel, and hopefully we can get more pictures like this out there for you, some of our wildlife stuff. So thanks everyone, and to that, Mr. Buck's going on his way. Good night.